A powerful earthquake in Myanmar might have killed more than 10,000 people, according to the US Geological Survey. The organization shared this information in a statement on its website. The statement said, based on the strength of the earthquake, we estimate that a large area in Myanmar has suffered major damage, and the number of deaths could be more than 1,000. On March 28, a 7.7 magnitude earthquake struck central Myanmar. The epicenter was 16 kilometers deep near the city of Sagaing. The USGS reported that Myanmar experienced two earthquakes, one of 7.7 magnitude and another of 6.4 magnitude. There is still limited information about the overall situation in Myanmar. However, international media reports, including photos and videos from Thailand, suggest that the earthquake was extremely severe. In response, Myanmar's military government has declared a state of emergency in 6 cities and regions, including the capital Naypyidaw, as well as Sagaing, Mandalay, Magwe, Bago, and Eastern Shan. Meanwhile, Thailand's Prime Minister Paetongtarn Shinawatra has also declared a state of emergency in the capital Bangkok. Desk report, Bangladesh Guardian.